Hey guys, I'm Chef D-Max. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today, Thai sticky rice. It goes with a lot of different things. We're gonna make it now. Click subscribe if you're not doing that already. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and ring that bell and I'll send you new things I have coming up. So I'll see you back in a second. Thai sticky rice. This has plenty of applications. It's just great to eat by itself. You can make it sweet with mango. You can serve it. I'm gonna be serving it with fried chicken later on this week. So you're gonna definitely wanna check out that recipe of that really crispy Thai style fried chicken with Thai sticky rice. So let's make that sticky rice right now. What I've done is I've gone out, you gotta go out to the store and buy really high quality Thai sticky rice. So go to your Asian grocery store. If you have a Thai grocery store, that's great. If not, usually your mixed kind of Chinese, Asian grocery stores in your neighborhoods will have usually a mix of Japanese, Chinese, Thai, Vietnamese food. So in there you want to look for a Thai sticky rice. And with that, I'm going to soak it. You got to soak this overnight. So I've rinsed it really well. You've got to clean it really good too, because you want to make sure that any bugs that might get in there get out. And you know, sometimes when it travels like that, it might even have like eggs on the rice, and there's nothing you can do about it. I mean, it's not. It sounds gross, but on the external parts of the rice. So that's why it's always important that you rinse and clean your rice before you cook it. Okay. So with that, after we've soaked this for an overnight period here, I'm going to go ahead and just strain it. Now I've got like a little, basket here. This is my Thai sticky rice basket. Now you can buy this at the grocery store. If not, you can use a hand strainer that fits over top of your pot, and you can just put a big heavy pot, like a stock pot, with water in the bottom that's going to be boiling, and you can have the strainer sitting on top of it with a lid. So with this, I'm going to stick it like this, and you can see how I just let that sit in there, right? And I've drained it really good. And at this point, I'm going to take it and stick it on top of my pot that's got boiling water in it. Okay, I'll show you what that looks like. I'll bring it over here so you guys can see it, because it is hot, because I did have some boiling water in it. That's what it looks like. But again, you can just use a pot with a strainer that's got the rice in it and then a lid on it. So with this, we're going to put, I'm going to put a lid on this, and I'll show you what that looks like later. But I'm going to put this on the stove right now, and with the lid on it, I'm going to steam it for about, I'm going to do it for 15 minutes, and I'm going to flip it. I'm going to show you what that looks like, and then I'll do it for 15 more. So it's going to be 30 minutes in total. So we'll see you back in 15 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm back. I've got my rice. I want to show you how we flip that. So I'm going to take my pot like this. You see my lid I put on this nice and tight? Woo! See the steam coming off of there? All right. So what we can do now, and the cool thing is I can kind of grab the basket. The basket doesn't get hot because it's made of wicker here. And you see how I bounce that around so it flips upside down? Do you see what that looks like? Like this? And that's all I want to do. I want to like steam it like this on one side and then steam it on the other. So I do 15 minutes on each side, and then we're going to be done. We're going to let it rest. So I'm going to let this go for 15 more minutes, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So see you back in a little bit. Okay, guys, I'm going to take off our rice. It's been on for another 15 minutes now. Now we're at 30 minutes, and I'm going to open this up. You can see that beautiful steam coming off of that, right? And my rice at this point, you know, it just pops around like this. You can see that, right? And you can break it up, but it's sticky and it's cooked. And I want to taste it, make sure it's cooked enough, right? But, that's beautiful, right? Look at that. So with this rice, at this point, we can just take it like this, froth it up a little bit, right? And it's ready to go. Now this you could put this in another basket to keep it warm. What I do a lot of times is I'll take the water, I'll dump the water out like that, so there's no more hot water underneath of it, and I'll just put this on the top, right, and put this back on the stove, and then your rice is ready to serve whenever you are. So it'll stay warm in there for quite a while without it overcooking. And your rice is done. Now at this point, if you guys wanted to mix that with some coconut milk. If you wanted to just serve it as is, next to some beautiful fried chicken, or you wanted to put it with, it goes with anything. Curry especially, really nice with that sticky rice. But try this Thai sticky rice at home. Super easy to make. You guys can see that container is actually at like one of your Asian stores or markets at home. You're probably going to pay $15 for that. So it's always a cool thing to have in your cupboard. So if you want to make a rice like that, or you can use it even as a steaming basket, it works really nice too for vegetables. So I'd say get one, have it at your house, do something cool with it, make some rice. It's amazing. I'll see you back in the kitchen soon. I'm Chef Dean Max.